Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review Blogify, an AI tool designed for bloggers and content creators. If you want to try Blogify for free, there is a link in the description. First, let's start by signing up. Visit the Blogify website through the link provided in the description. On the home page, you will see the sign up button. Click on it and you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password. After completing these details, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account and you'll be ready to get started. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, ensuring you can get started within minutes without any technical hurdles. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. The layout is clean and simple, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. On the left-hand side, you have options like creating a new blog, managing drafts, and reviewing your account settings. The dashboard's design ensures that all essential tools are easily accessible, allowing you to focus on creating content rather than figuring out the interface. To begin creating content, click on New Blog. You'll be prompted to enter a topic or keywords for your blog post. For example, let's say we want to write a blog about benefits of remote work. After entering the topic, click Generate. Blogify will take a few seconds to analyze your input and generate a complete blog post. The content will appear in an editor where you can review, edit, or customize it. The AI does a great job of providing well-structured and engaging text. It includes an introduction, body sections, and a conclusion. Additionally, it highlights sections where you can add personal touches or additional details to make the content uniquely yours. The editor also allows you to tweak the tone, add images, or include SEO-friendly keywords. For example, you can switch between a formal or conversational tone depending on your audience. The ability to optimize content for search engines is particularly useful for bloggers aiming to increase visibility. One of the standout features of Blogify is its simplicity. You don't need any technical skills or prior experience to use it. The AI handles most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on refining the content. Another helpful feature is the built-in analytics tool, which gives you insights into your blog's performance. This can be particularly useful for tracking engagement and optimizing future posts. For instance, you can monitor metrics such as reader engagement, click-through rates, and time spent on your blog. Another notable feature is Blogify's ability to integrate with other platforms. Whether you're publishing on WordPress, Medium, or another site, Blogify makes it easy to export your content seamlessly. This feature saves you time and ensures consistency across platforms. There is also an image generation tool that allows you to create custom visuals to accompany your blog posts. These visuals can enhance the overall appeal of your content and make it more engaging for readers. However, there are a couple of minor drawbacks. Sometimes the AI-generated content may require additional edits to match a specific style or voice. This is especially true if you have a highly niche audience or a specific tone in mind. Additionally, while the tool supports multiple languages, some languages may produce less accurate results than others. Despite these minor issues, the overall experience is highly positive. The pros of Blogify far outweigh these small inconveniences. Now, let's talk about pricing. Blogify offers several plans to suit different needs. There is a free trial available, which allows you to test its features without any commitment. After the trial, you can choose from monthly or annual subscriptions. The pricing is competitive, especially when compared to other AI tools, and the value it offers makes it a worthwhile investment for bloggers and content creators. The basic plan is ideal for individuals just starting out, while more advanced plans cater to professionals and teams who require additional features and resources. For businesses managing multiple blogs, the higher-tier plans offer collaboration tools and extended analytics. To summarize, Blogify is an excellent tool for creating high-quality blog content quickly and efficiently. Its user-friendly interface, powerful AI capabilities and additional features like analytics make it a top choice for content creators. While there are minor areas for improvement, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Blogify's ability to simplify the blogging process and deliver professional results makes it stand out in a crowded market. If you want to see how it works for yourself, click the link in the description to try Blogify for free.